Thomas, where the tables are?
Yeah, ask 后面. No man.
Oh hi yo guys, so this is another vlog. If you guys follow me on Instagram and everything, watch my Instagram story, you will know that I was complaining about my headphones. Yeah, it recently just like died on me, and it's so frustrating because you know, whenever you go out, you just want to listen to music while you travel or you do work and anything. You guys are awesome because so many of you recommended me so many different headsets. Really thankful for that. You guys got me, man. You guys got me covered, man. And right now I'm actually gonna meet someone you guys already know. It's been a long time since I seen him. Look who's here. Cookies! Cookie! I thought of a good meme for you. What? Every time you appear on screen, right, Cookie Monster will appear. Cookie!
It's terrible.
It's not the special person that we're meeting today, but the special person is late. Expected. This person is always late. So this is Shao Kai.
Sup?
Even he is earlier than the special guest. This guy,
Burden.
Hey. What time is supposed to be?
I give up.
Tell me what time is supposed to be.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Tell me what time is it now?
No, cause Thailand, right? The time is 1 hour before.
I thought army changed you. No. The special guest is Thomas.
Hey.
Thailand. How long?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, very hot.
He's back. What's happening right now is we're actually heading towards Big Box because one of you guys actually said that I should go Big Box and try out the claw machine, and I didn't even know Big Box has a claw machine or whatever. I'm not hanging out with these 3 guys anymore because if I don't know if it's obvious on camera, but these 3 guys are very tall. I'm not like. Look at that! This is the worst. This is. Yo, how tall are you?
184.
184. I am 165. Okay. But okay, from this angle, I look like same height as them. I am never hanging out with them again. This is too much, guys. This is making my self-esteem really low. Okay, really low. Found it. It's called Playbox. Place is called Playbox. Wait, you win what? Ball?
What are we supposed to
Yeah, you Thomas. Hey, Shao Kai. I think you're tall enough. Just reach in, lah. You can just like take it. Yo. Oh, you win the capsules.
Inside what, sir?
How legit is it? What? Oh, it's way bigger. Yo, who said there's no? Who said there's no arcade? Who said?
It's like
Yeah, alright. That was the arcade. The thing is, I really think the arcade is meant for like kids. Like, I'm a huge kid, but I think it's meant for like little kids. So the prizes are not that good. We saw the arcade a bit. I'm not too interested to play it. Another viewer told me that a new time zone just opened.
Westgate?
Westgate. Legit, new time zone. Okay, so now we're gonna head to time zone, guys. Let's go. We're here. This is the second arcade today. We're at time zone. Another of the viewer told me that there's a new time zone here. A new game. They're all orange. Hey, help me. I thought it was unlimited ball, so I just thought just throw a hole. Press the button. So your objective is to make the whole orange thing disappear. There's a timer. Take your time. Nice. Oh. I think your strategy like cool, eh? Almost. Aim. You're doing good. Get the ball. Nice. Thomas, 15 seconds. Faster. Help. 5. Last one. No. Last one. If you win, right, we'll take it, we'll sell it, we'll split the money. Alright, really splitting. Pro. Hey! Oh my god, Thomas!
You like a middle finger half. Hey!
Okay. Hey, you are a gamer leh. Oh my god!
I cannot, I tell you I cannot play this kind of game. Hey! What the shit? Okay lah, you did better than me.
I did better than the rest, but still. The thing is, in my whole life, I only seen one person win that game before. My whole life, one. Oh, doing good. Oh, he missed one. Thomas. You don't care any. Come on.
How much time do I have now? Oh no. This shit, I suck.
Oh, that was a good bounce. Finish it. Okay.
Wow, that was bad.
Okay, now. Oh, you just made it. Not bad. Okay. Hey, can win.
How many you think you got?
I think I got like 43.
I got 30 something.
Hey, no! Really? It's so bad.
I got how many?
Oh, I beat you by one! By one! Hey, iPhone! Oh, cannot go already. Oh, no, easy. Wow. Get an iPhone.
Okay, fine, iPhone it is.
Oh, what do you need? Oh, you need GoPro, right?
No.
Okay, number two.
Okay, get an iPhone. Okay.
Hey!
Hey, it's not press and hold. I thought it's press and press. Hey, I'm bad. I didn't read the instructions. Never learned. You never read. Okay.
Just now, GoPro.
Hey, cannot lah. Totally off eh.
No, this is okay. That now was totally off. Okay, that's it for this arcade. I might come back here again. The games are pretty good. Just like it's a little bit expensive, man. So we left the arcade. I'll be back here another day. So if you guys don't know already, Cookie is a Instagrammer. He takes really nice picture. Shao Kai. Check out his Instagram. Where are we now, Cookies? IKEA! Or IKEA.
Ikea.
How do you say it?
Ikea.
How do you say it?
Yeah.
How do you say it?
Ikea. Yeah, it's Ikea. Let's go Ikea.
Oh, cinematic meatballs.
You make it out the chicken
Yo, Thomas.
Yo.
Thomas, I love you. But no homo. I love you as a brother, man.
Remember when I told you no homo?
Yes. Not. Not.
Hey. I think I found Nemo.
You found what?
Nemo.
What?
Hey, when you go home, you go watch the TVs. Okay, no.
No. That was bad.
Hey, you want? Oh.
I thought it was rubber. That was damn loud. I thought it's rubber.
Okay, see your joke.
Hey, you wanna play soccer?
But-
Game of Thrones.
Thomas, this is your last chance, really.
Okay.
This is your last chance, really.
Okay, ask me where the tables are.
Thomas, where the tables are?
Yeah, ask 后面. No man, I give it. I'm laughing way too much at this shit.
That's not bad.
That's a good way to end Ikea.
That's not bad. That's it. Where are you going? Where are you going?
What?
Where are you going? Parkour, is that?
Home ah, home. Then just start lah.
Yeah, bye bye.
We are back home. Oh, did it right now, but I guess it's one of those days where you don't really feel like going out, but when you actually do, it turned out really good. We talked a lot, we had stupid fun, and yeah, today was really fun. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog like that. Today was really fun.